To get started with QuickBooks Bookkeeping, you need to set up your company file by providing basic information such as company name, address, and tax identification number. Next, you will create a chart of accounts, which is a list of all your company's accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. You will then set up your accounts, including bank accounts, credit card accounts, and loan accounts. To do this, you will go to the banking menu and select the account you want to set up. Then enter the account details and save. After setting up your accounts, you will start recording transactions, including invoices, payments, bills, and vendor payments. To record a transaction, you will go to the corresponding menu, such as the customer's menu to record an invoice, or the vendor's menu to record a bill. You will then enter the transaction details, including the date, amount, and account, and save the transaction. It is also important to reconcile your bank and credit card statements to ensure accuracy and detect any discrepancies. To reconcile a statement, you will go to the banking menu, select the account you want to reconcile, and enter the statement date and ending balance. You will then match the transactions in QuickBooks to the transactions on the statement and save the reconciliation. Best practices for QuickBooks bookkeeping include regularly backing up your company file, using account numbers to track transactions, and running financial reports to monitor your company's performance. You should also keep your QuickBooks software up to date and take advantage of the many online resources and tutorials available to help you get the most out of the program. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use QuickBooks to manage your company's finances and make informed business decisions. Regularly reviewing and updating your chart of accounts and financial reports will help you stay on top of your company's finances and ensure compliance with accounting standards. By mastering QuickBooks bookkeeping, you can streamline your financial management, reduce errors, and improve your overall financial performance.